In Perth, apartment living is becoming more and more of an attractive option for singles, couples, and even families. It's safe, secure, there's no maintenance, it's easy to lock and leave, and you very often get resort-style living at an affordable price. Today, I'm looking at Finbar's brand new development at Dianella. Robin, tell us about this exciting new complex coming to Dianella.
Well, it's called Dianella Apartments, Claire, and we're very excited about it because it's something completely different and new for the area.
At the sales office, you can buy your apartment off the plan and find out all you need to know to get started. It might look a little small now, but when it's finished, there will be an abundance of space with a solar-heated pool and cabana.
There's nothing like this in Dianella. Apartments close to the shops that feature a pool, a gym, a sauna, lovely games room. It's just very, very exciting.
There are 120 apartments on offer in a variety of 1, 2 and 3 bedroom combinations. And with current government building incentives on offer right now, there really isn't a better time to buy.
If you buy an apartment at Dianella, everybody gets a 75% refund of their stamp duty, payable up to a capped rate of $25,000. First home buyers get a $10,000 first home buyer's grant on top of that. And if a first home buyer pays less than $430,000, they pay no stamp duty at all.
And then there's also a builder's bonus thanks to Finbar. Every apartment comes standard with a stylish modern kitchen. And there is also an appliances package on offer by Finbar at the moment, where you can get some luxurious upgrades. Construction is now underway and is expected to be complete by late 2021. Finbar have successfully built over 6,400 apartments in WA.
And they're all completed. People are living in them, loving them. I know we've got one Kennedy, Sabina down in Applecross, so they've really been market leaders in this, and they really do provide quality apartments.
The best apartments always sell first. So get in quick, don't wait. Come and see myself or Glenda on the weekends and we'll help them out.